I noticed the glowing. How did you make the glowing for the colors? Is that fire or is it just
Yes,
light?
the fire. Yes,
So each fire is a different color?
I think so.
I think that works really cool. People are going to notice that and they're going to be like, hey. Oh, that was dark in there. Look at the fire. Try to find one fire and look at it.
Yes.
Up close so they can see the difference in the colors. The difference in the... See, go back. Look at the ceiling where it was blue.
Yes.
Okay, so there's a fire. Now look at the ceiling. That's what I'm talking about. What's that glow right there above you in the ceiling?
Yes.
In the roof. Look at the roof. Behind you? No, behind you. Behind you. Look up. Up. Look up at the ceiling. Right there. What is that?
It's a light. I place a light here.
Okay. I thought maybe it was a reflection of the fire, and the fire was a different color.